In order to fly a drone here in Thailand fully legally, you need to register at two agencies. The NBCT, the National Broadcasting and Telecommunication Agency, and the CAAT, the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand. We are here in Thailand since 2 weeks already, and I'm still waiting for my certificate of insurance, which I need in order to register my drone here in Thailand. I asked my insurance already a couple of days ago and I heard nothing back. And yesterday I came to the idea that I could apply for another insurance, which I cancel every day. I asked two insurance companies if I can get a certificate also in English, which is necessary here in Thailand to register the drone. And I asked them, they wrote me back and said that after I applied for the insurance, I will get a certificate immediately, right afterwards. So I'm gonna apply now for another insurance that I finally can register my drone here in Thailand. Your drone insurance is from now on active. Okay, perfect. So I applied for the insurance and I just hope that I get the certificate in the next couple of minutes until I drive to the so-called NBTC here in Chiang Mai. So the NBTC office is only a 3-minute drive away from our hotel and it's close to the airport. So you could also get your permit right after you arrived here at the airport in Chiang Mai. Sawadee krab. I'm here for the NBTC.
NBTC?
Yeah. So the NBTC is located here at the business park, and when you enter you get a ticket where your license plate is written down, and then you get a stamp from the NBTC that you've been there, and then you can show the ticket with the stamp on it when you want to leave. Must be this building, right? Sawadee krab.
Sawadee krab.
Sawadee krab. NBTC?
NBTC.
Yeah. Ah, khop krab. Ooh, it's quite empty here. And the NBTC is located on the second floor. We are the only ones here. Sorry, I'm here to register my drone. So it is now 12:40 p.m. They are on a lunch break, so we have to wait. I just hope couple of minutes and not that long, but if you ever get here, just plan in that it's lunch break from 12 to 1.
Okay, so the computer is ready.
Okay, ready? Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So done.
Done. Yes, thank you very much for your help. And we are now connected on Instagram, so if we need any tips from you, we'll write you.
Bye. It's okay.
Okay, khop khun krab. Bye bye. They were so friendly. Or not?
Das war ja schon was gruselig. So
oh my god. So this was easier than expected and they were super helpful, especially Eva. And that's it, that was the registration for the drone. And here, big news. Since COVID-19 you can do everything online, you don't need to be there in person. You can do everything online. Just follow these 4 steps. So you need your passport, you need a photo of the drone with the serial number on it, a photo of the whole drone, and also a photo of the remote control with the serial number as well. And Yeah, after we entered the NBTC office, we were asked to wait because it was lunchtime, and already 5 minutes later a guy came over and asked us how we can help, and he instantly connected us with a colleague of him because due to COVID-19 some of their employees are working from home, and we had a video chat, and as it turned out, Eva, what was her name, she was super friendly. She guided us through the registration for the drone and also gave us some tips for Chiang Mai.
Can I take a look at your visa once again?
Yeah.
I need to definitely arrive to Thailand
That's
on
it.
31st of December.
Yes, right.
It's not that far from my office right now, I think. You need to go there. It's nice coffee.
Never ever experienced such a friendly employee in a public authority. This alone was an adventure. So it was a great experience, very great experience. And then we paid a fee of 214 baht in total for the registration, and after registration she already approved it. So now we hold the certificate of the registration of our drone from the NBTC in our hands, but that's not everything. After registration at the NBTC, we also had to register our drone as a CAAT. That's what I did just for the whole afternoon. And for this registration, you need your ID card, your passport, the photo of the drone with the serial number on it, a photo of the whole drone, the certificate of insurance for the drone, the NBTC certificate. So you need to first register at the NBTC and then you can register at the CAAT, the booking confirmation of the hotel, and this self-declaration form you can download while being in the registration process, print it out and sign it and then upload it. And then you're good to go. So that's what I did for the whole afternoon now. Registration for the NBTC and the registration for the CAAT. Now we have to wait approximately 15 days latest, then we should finally receive the registration of the CAAT as well in our hands, and then we can finally officially fly legal a drone here in Thailand. And because we were sitting at a pool for the whole day, I need a compensation, a balance for that. Ready? And this is the second part of today's vlog. Hi, 2-day passes. I really would like to exercise more and go to the gym much more often than copyright. So yes, I definitely would like work out much more than now, because I'm used to work out, going to the gym almost every single day back in Frankfurt in Germany. But I also have this fear of missing out, FOMO. And our days here in Chiang Mai are limited, and it's a really cool place, and I want to take advantage of every single minute and hour we have here. It is now already 8:30 and we plan to wake up tomorrow morning at 5. And I also have to edit the video from yesterday, so it's gonna be a short night. See you in a couple of hours. Wait. Don't click away, please. The video is not over yet. We would like to ask you if we could stay maybe 2 days longer. Monday, check out. Maybe, yeah.
Yes, it's okay.
Because our time is limited, we extended our stay here in Chiang Mai until Monday.